Welcome to Digit and tell us about the two new laptops we launched today.
Thanks for giving me time to connect with you again, so really appreciate that. Today we have launched and announced complete Latitude product portfolio. And speaking about the two specific hero or key products, the first one is the Latitude 13-inch on Latitude 7000 series. That's world's thinnest and smallest 13-inch ultrabook in commercial space. That is also world's most secure 13-inch commercial ultrabook. And the second one is we have announced the Latitude 7000 series 2-in-1, and again it's world's most secure 2-in-1 or tablet as well. Right, so we are very excited to offer not only our standard product line but different form factors to address different specific customer or user needs.
So I'm guessing these products are for enterprise users only and will be sold through your channels or different partners directly to the customers who want these for their offices and everything.
These are the commercial product. Latitude is our yes, it is basically mainly targeted. Target is not the right word, but mainly for a commercial customers' needs and use as such. It will be offered through different route to market, starting with the Dell Direct, as well as it's also available for end customers through our partner-led route to market as well.
So these will be available for purchase to normal customers who want to buy.
Yes.
Secure.
So we are not limiting, right? Saying only a particular customer can have this particular product line. So it's basically available for all the customers based on their needs, based on the features which they are looking for.
So will these laptops be available to end customers right away, or will these be available at a later date?
The Latitude 7000 2-in-1, this will be available from end of March.
Okay.
The Latitude 13-inch 7000 Ultrabook, it will be available from end of April. And rest of the product line, Latitude 3000 series, Latitude 5000 and Latitude 7000, those are available now as we speak.
Okay. And you didn't announce any prices or given any prices of these two laptops. So at what prices these laptops will be priced at for end customers if they want to buy?
So Latitude 7000 series 2-in-1, the starting price will be 79,990 rupees.
Okay.
And for Latitude 13-inch 7000 series Ultrabook, it will be 89,900 rupees. I believe it is not only about the price point, Kshitij. It is more about what are the features and what's the form factor and what are the additional services offering which are accompanying that particular product, right? So
Security mix.
yeah, meaning it's more about the features, services, security, and rest of the solutions which will be available.
We also saw a third launch. There's an 11-inch model as well.
Yes.
Tell us about that as well.
So Latitude 11-inch, it's specifically targeted for, or target is not the right word, typically meant for the education segment. Okay. And I will give one small example. There are many education institutes or many schools wherein they are promoting, let's say, notebook. And sometimes this is my personal opinion, I feel a little bit awkward when I see a 4th or 5th grade student carrying a heavy notebook out there, right? And so this particular notebook is with a 11.6-inch form factor, and this is not as heavy as a standard 14-inch 15-inch. This is perfectly a fit for education customers as well. So although I mentioned it's mainly for education customers, but it can be used, meaning for an end user who is looking for a smaller screen size kind of a portfolio or a notebook as well.
With these two laptops, we saw your Infinity display coming to the Latitude range.
Yes.
Will this Infinity display will be coming to Inspiron and those like small budget laptops which end users really buy?
So let me just reiterate one more point. Latitude 7000 series 13-inch one, it's the only commercial ultrabook to offer Infinity Edge, right? So we are a step ahead out there. So we do have Infinity Edge available on the consumer, some of the consumer
Dell
notebook
XPS.
as well. For example, Dell XPS. We have also announced Infinity Edge based offering on our Precision mobile workstation. This is basically high performance the workstation class applications. So even that is available on that network.
And we also saw your new 7000 series laptops for the end user, which will be available with the infinite display and quad HD resolutions. When we will see those coming to the Indian markets?
It will be available from end of April onwards.
Thank you.